Oh my goodness, everybody, look what I have in my hand, the new iPhone Air. First look, first impressions, I just picked this up. This is cloud white, all right? So what do we have here? If you look at this carefully, to break this down, this is 5.6 millimeters thin. Yes, this is the thinnest iPhone we've ever had. Am I drinking the Kool-Aid? I'm gonna tell you in hand, this feels incredible. Obviously you have Apple's engineering, a titanium frame, completely polished. But this phone, before we had known about it, this is packing a lot of pro features. This is a 6.5-inch display, 120 hertz refresh rate. Pro Motion, everything that you expect here. The coating on this is the next generation of Ceramic Shield 2. That means it's 4 times stronger on the front, 3 times stronger on the back. When we talk about this, you're looking at cloud white. This is this plateau, and up here, this is where they store things like the camera components. This has a 48 megapixel Fusion camera, so that's 48 megapixels, but also a 2x telephoto. There is no ultra wide here in this phone. Obviously, you have wireless charging. Just to give you like a perspective how it feels in hand. Give me 1 second to grab this, just to show you a little quick comparison. This is the iPhone Air. This is the iPhone 16 Pro. Hopefully you can see, let me get it right here. Hopefully you can see that difference in thickness from one to the other. But the best thing about this, I think, is that, you know, they're putting pro features. This still has an A19 Pro chip in it. You have an optimized GPU. Obviously the CPU is still 6-core. The other thing about this is battery life. I believe you're getting around 26 hours of video playback in this 24 to 26. Forgive me if, you know, I just got this in hand. But the battery life, this is what they optimize this for. Efficiency, performance, in a dancing design. So this is your first look at the iPhone Air. It starts at $999. You can pre-order it now, available September 19th. I came in here look, no one does the presentation like Apple. I came in here being like, we'll see. And now I'm like, oh goodness, I see. I get it. Beautiful. So we got cloud white. Another quick thing, there's some different accessories. Apple is having a really slim MagSafe battery that you can get for this. They're also having a bumper case that's a polycarbonate that will match the colors of the iPhone Air. And then finally, a strap that goes over your shoulder that connects down here at the bottom. But overall, yeah, this is impressive to see in hand. The engineering, it really definitely brings back some of the design that Apple has touted before. And we've seen thinner phones, but something feels different about the iPhone Air. It's Air, baby. Cool.